welcome back to the channel Unknown Physicist. So today we are in our another video of our series Mastering MMP. So in our last two videos we started doing complex analysis. So in particular last video we have discussed what is analytic function. So we have discussed how to find whether a given function is analytical or not and what is the necessary condition, that is our Cauchy-Riemann condition. We have discussed all these things in our previous video. If you have not watched that video, please do watch and continue with this so that you will be able to solve the problems which are discussed in this video. And today what we are going to see is, today is also a continuation of analytical function but with a different varieties of problems. So they might give you a real part and ask you to find the imaginary function, or the real function, imaginary function might be given and here they might ask you to find the f of z, what is your function. So we will be seeing how to solve all those things we will do, and I'll solve few problems and I'll give few tasks. So don't forget to solve the task and mention the answers in the comment section. And for all the tasks, the answers will be discussed in the Telegram group, which is Unknown Physicist. Uh, if it is a very difficult problem, I'll be solving those solutions in the next video. But most of the problems are discussed in the Telegram group. You can check the Telegram group, which is named Unknown Physicist, right? And if you are a new visitor to this channel, in this channel I do make videos on different concepts of physics. Right now I'm doing two series. One is Quantum 100, which is completely in Tamil. So there are a good number of videos over there. And then another is Mastering MMP. So here we have completed linear algebra and we are doing complex analysis right now. So let's get started with today's video. Okay, before getting with today's concept, so in my previous video I've given task and there are 7 questions, and these two persons, Syed Ibrahim and Pradeep S, these both have answered all the questions correctly. So in my previous video there was a small correction. What does that mean? In your fourth question I have given as x plus iy minus 8 the whole cube into 4 plus x square plus y square plus 2ixy the whole power 7. So actually here it is not plus, it is minus. There was a printing mistake in the book which I referred this problem. So actually there should be a minus and your given function will be analytic. Okay. So here he has Syed Ibrahim has mentioned not analytic, but he changed it. So congrats to these and appreciation for your efforts. In this video also there will be a lot more tasks coming. So don't forget to solve them and mention the answers in the comment section. So that's it. So let's get started with today's video. So what we are going to see today is, actually I have said f of z is nothing but u of x comma y plus I into v of x comma y. So this will be your real part and this will be your imaginary part, right? So what type of question we are going to see? So let me consider this type 1. So this is type 1. So what is the question is, here they will give you the u of your real part will be given. Your real part will be given. So you have to find, what is the imaginary part. You have to find what is the imaginary part. So what is the condition to do it? So we know the Cauchy-Riemann condition, which is dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, right? So first what you have to do is, you have to find your dou u by dou x. So what we know, dou v by dou y will be equal to a particular function. So what you can do is, dou v is equal to that particular function what you are finding, that is your dou u by dou x into dou y. So now you can integrate on both sides. So you will be getting v is equal to some function. This is one part. And the second part, other part of the Cauchy-Riemann condition is dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. So here dou v by dou x will be equal to minus of something. So dou v will be equal to minus of something into dou x. So you have to integrate on both sides. So finally you will be getting a v minus of something. So you will be getting two v's. That is two imaginary parts over here. So how you have to write your final answer is, you are supposed to, you will be getting two v's. So you have to add all these terms. You have to add all these terms, but you should not take the repeated terms. But don't take repeated terms. So we will do some problems so that you will understand it better. So you should not take the repeated terms. You should add all the terms in both the V's, but you should not take the repeated terms. So let us solve some problems so you will be able to understand. So our first question. Our first question here is u of x comma y is equal to 2x into 1 minus y. So we have to find what is our v. So let me do first condition, which is dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, right? So first let me find what is dou u by dou x. So dou u by dou x would be 2 into 1 minus y, right? So dou v by dou y will be equal to 2 into 1 minus y. So which will be dou v is equal to 2 minus 2y into dou y. So I have to integrate this. So if I integrate dou v, it will be v is equal to, if I am integrating this, this will be 2y minus 2y square by 2. So these two will get cancelled. So finally here my v will be equal to 2y minus y square. So this is my first term. Now I have to do for the second thing. So which is dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x, right? So which will be equal to, I have to differentiate with, I have to differentiate u with respect to y. So which would be minus 2x alone we have, right? You will be having only minus 2x. That is, you will be getting only 2x. So which will be, so once I differentiate, I will be getting only minus 2x. So actually there is a minus over here. So this will become positive. So dou v by dou x is equal to 2x. So dou v is equal to 2x into dou x. I have to integrate on both sides. So here my v will be equal to x square. So I've got 2 v's. So now finally my imaginary term will be, I have to add all of these. So which will be x square minus y square plus 2y. So this is your imaginary function. Okay, there is one way to check whether the function which you have got is imaginary, correct or no. How you can do this? You can verify the answer in terms of Cauchy-Riemann condition. So you will be getting these conditions as proof. So this is one way which you can verify. So let me do one more problem. You will be still clear with the concept. So here the question what I am taking is u of x comma y is equal to x plus half into x square minus y square, right? Okay, this is my question. So first what I have to find? I have to find dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. So I have to differentiate u with respect to x. Then I will be getting 1 plus x. It will be 2x by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So dou v will be equal to 1 plus x into dou y. So which will be, I have to integrate on both sides. So my v will be equal to y plus xy, right? This is my first term. Let me box it. This is my first term. Now the second term is dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x, right? So I have to differentiate with respect to y. So which would be minus y alone. So this will become positive. So finally, dou v will be equal to y into dou x. So integrate on both sides. So v will be equal to xy. So this is my second term. So now I have to write the final term. So I have to add all of these, but I should not add the repeated terms. So y, but xy is repeated over here. So I should take only once. So this is your final answer. Hope everyone got the concept. So what we are seeing is, if they are given your imaginary term, how you are going to, sorry, if they are given your real term, real part, and how you are going to find the imaginary part. So this is the way how we do it. So I'll be giving few tasks. Just try to find the answers and mention it in the comment section. So the questions are, so first question is, u of xy is equal to x square plus 4x minus y square plus 2xy. And then second question is, u of xy is equal to x square minus y square. And then third question is, v of xy is equal to y plus 3x square y minus y cube. So in this questions you have to find what is v of x comma y. and over here you have to find what is u of x comma y. You have to find your real part. I haven't discussed this, but it is the same procedure how we are doing. So instead of v, you are going to find u. So hope you will just give a try to this problem. It will be really interesting. So don't forget, try these problems and mention your answers in the comment section. So let us see the next type. So now we are going to see the other type question in analytical function. So what? Let me write this as type 2. So in this we have two types again in this. So first what it is they will be giving you the real part. So u of xy is given. So what you have to find? You have to find the function. You have to find the function f of z. Okay. So the second part will be they will be giving you the imaginary function. You have to find the f of z. So here real part is given. Okay. So we are going to do this with the method called Milne-Thomson method. Milne-Thomson method. Okay. So how do we do it? So they will be giving you the real part. So this is given. So first you have to differentiate with respect to x. So dou u by dou x will be equal to some function. Let it be f of x comma y. So here for x you have to put z and for y you have to put 0. So you will be getting f1 of z comma 0. And then next you have to differentiate with respect to y. So dou u by dou y will be equal to some function f of x comma y. Again you have to put for x as z and for y 0. So from this you will be getting f2 of z comma 0. So finally your f of z will be equal to integral f1 of z comma 0 minus I into f2 z comma 0 dz, which I can write as f of z is equal to integral f1 minus I f2 into dz. Right? So this is how you get your final answer. That is your function. So I will solve one or two problems, then it will be still clear for you. So the first question I am taking here is u is equal to x square minus y square. So you have to find what is the function. Find f of z. So first what I have to do? I have to find dou u by dou x. So which will be 2x. So here for x I have to put z and for y I have to put 0. So from this my f1 will be equal to 2z. Right? Next is dou u by dou y. So which will be minus 2y. So here for x I have to substitute z and for y I have to substitute 0. So my f2 will be 0. So finally f of z is given by integral f1 minus I into f2 dz. So which will be equal to integral 2z into dz because f2 is 0. So finally f of z will be equal to z square. Actually it will be 2z square by 2. This 2 will get cancelled. So finally your f of z will be z square. So this is your function. Again you can cross check this with the help of Cauchy-Riemann condition. So let me solve one more problem so you'll be still more clear. So my second question I'm considering here is u of x comma y is equal to 2x plus y the whole cube y cube minus 3x square y. So I have to find what is f of z. So first for that I have to do dou u by dou x. So dou u by dou x would be 2 minus 6x, right? So sorry 6xy. So in this I have to put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. So my f1 will be equal to 2. Next I have to do dou u by dou y. So which will be 3y square minus 3x square. So in this for x I have to put z and y I have to put 0. So my f2 will be equal to minus 3z square. So finally f of z is given by integral f1 minus I f2 dz, right? So my f1 is 2. So integral 2 minus of minus this becomes plus. So plus I 3z square dz. So which will be integral 2 is nothing but 2z. So 2z plus I into integral z square. What is integral z square? It is z cube. So it will be 3 into z cube by 3. This 3 will get cancelled. So finally f of z will be equal to 2z plus I z cube. So this is your final function, right? So let me give you a few tasks. Just try it, okay? So the task for this type of problem here is, I'll continue the number as 4. So here your u of x comma y is equal to ln x square plus y square. And then next question is, fifth one, it is u of x comma y is equal to sine hyperbolic x cos y. Okay. And then sixth one, it is u of x comma y is equal to e raised to x cos y. And then seventh question, it is u of x comma y is equal to e raised to minus x into x cos y plus y sin y, right? So the first three questions, that is 4, 5, 6, it will be kind of easy. And fourth, you have to be a little careful while doing the differentiation. That's it. Like, be careful while doing the differentiation, but still you will get the answers very easily. And there is one more part of this. Let us see what it is. So the second part here is, first we saw if the imaginary real part is given. So the second type here is imaginary part is given. So which is v of x comma y is given. You have to find what is f of z. So how do we do this? So over here, so we have to find dou v by dou x. So again, this will be equal to a function which is f of x comma y. So over here for x you have to put z, and for y you have to substitute 0. So from this you will be getting f1 of z comma 0. And then next you have to find dou v by dou y is equal to, again you will be getting a function x comma y. So again you have to put x is equal to z and then y is equal to 0. So this will be nothing, f2 of z comma 0. So finally your f of z will be equal to integral f2 plus I f1 into dz. So there is these steps are same, but your final formula, f of z formula, there it was integral f1 minus. So this is for imaginary part. So when we did for real part, it was f of z is equal to integral f1 minus I f2 into dz. So here at the formula, there is a change in sign and the exchange of terms. So let us solve one or two problems so that you will be still clear. So my first question here it is, v of x comma y is equal to y plus 3x square y minus y cube. So first I have to find dou v by dou x. So which is 6xy. So for x I have to put z, for y I have to put 0. So my f1 here is 0. Next is dou v by dou y. So which will be 1 plus 3x square minus 3y square. Again for x I have to substitute z and for y I have to substitute 0. So what is my f2? f2 will be 1 plus 3z square. So finally what is my formula for f of z? It is given by integral f2 plus I f1 dz. So what is my f2? It is 1 plus 3z square plus I into f1 is 0 into dz. So which is nothing but z plus 3z cube by 3. So finally my f of z is nothing but z plus z cube. So this is your function. If they're given your imaginary term and asking for you to find the function, you have to do it by this way. So let me do one more example. So the second question here is, v is equal to ln of x plus y into, plus x plus y, ln of x plus y plus x plus y. Okay. So first I have to find dou v by dou x. So which is nothing but 1 by x plus y plus 1. So here for x I have to substitute z, for y I have to put 0. So my f1 will be equal to 1 by z plus 1. Next I have to do for dou v by dou y, which would be 1 by x plus y plus 1. So again for x I have to put z and for y I have to put 0. So my f2 also it will be 1 by z plus 1. So finally f of z is equivalent by integral f2 plus I f1 into dz, right? So which is integral 1 by z plus 1 plus I into 1 by z plus 1 into dz. So if I am integrating, what is this? This is nothing but ln of z plus z. I'm sorry. This is ln z, okay? Ln z plus z plus I into ln z plus z. Because integral of 1 by z is ln z, right? And then integral of 1, it is z. So let me write my final answers here. So f of z will be equal to ln z plus z plus I into ln z plus z. Okay, so this is my final answer. Hope you have understood. It's basic integration, all these steps. So again here I will give you few tasks. Just give a try. So the task here is I'll give you few sums to solve. So the task so far we have done 7. So this will be 8. So eighth question is v is equal to minus sine x sine hyperbolic y. Okay. And then ninth question it is v is equal to x minus y by x plus y, x square plus y square. And then 10th last question it is v is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Okay, so these are the problems. So here you have to find what is your f of z. So these types of question only will be asked in your analytical function part, and this particular type of questions are really important in point of GATE exams. And in next videos we will be starting to do what is singularities and types of singularities, and then what are residues, all those things we'll be discussing, order, pole of order, we will be discussing all these things. So I have given 10 sums as task. So once you watch the video, start solving it and mention your answers in the comment section. And if you have any doubts in calculation or if you have gone wrong anywhere, you can just post it in your Telegram group, Unknown Physicist. Either myself, when I'm free, I will help you, or else the members in the group who have solved it will help you for sure. So don't forget to share your answers either in comment section or in the Telegram group. And if you feel this video is going to help for your preparation, don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you want to appreciate the work went in this video, hit the thumbs up sign. So still then everyone, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.